So I do a regular column for Tech News World on breaking news, emerging technology. And on the bottom of the column, I pick a product every week that I think just stands out against all the others. And ConferenceCam Connect solved a very specific problem for me, and of course it was very affordable. It was my product of the week. I needed to connect with a variety of news services so that I could, since I now live in Bend, Oregon, I could connect to the San Jose and China and New York bureaus that I worked with, and had a need for ConferenceCam, and so I went on a long search. I looked at more traditional conferencing systems, but most of the stuff took up way too much room and was often, 5 or 6 times as expensive. Desktop camera just isn't an ideal solution. It's set up for close proximity, and it's just incredibly awkward. And the end result is the video doesn't look all that good. I'm less comfortable while I'm doing it, and that's probably obvious. And then ConferenceCam Connect launched, and I looked at it and said, this thing's perfect. It doesn't have the wiring, it's easy to set up, it's got a remote control for pan and zoom that's really tiny. It's small, portable, easy to use, doesn't take up a lot of room. It provides 1080p high-def images, and the sound system is pretty decent. It allows you to set up for a small fraction of the price that a large video conferencing system would cost you. You can set it up so pretty much every conference room is a video conference room, and any user can use the system. ConferenceCam Connect was basically plug and play. You plugged it in, brought up Skype. I could get to the call very quickly, and I could leave it in place, and it wasn't taking up a huge component of my office. It saves me having to drive to a studio, which I wouldn't do anyway at 200 miles, and allows me to be much more productive. For anybody that has a need to video conference in remotely, I recommend ConferenceCam Connect. It solved my problem, it could probably solve theirs.